Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Modern dining table design exemplifies a fusion of form, function, and contemporary aesthetics, redefining the focal point of dining spaces. Marked by clean lines, innovative materials, and a focus on simplicity, modern dining tables serve as both functional pieces of furniture and striking design statements within the home. The hallmark of modern dining table design lies in its simplicity and minimalism. Clean, unadorned surfaces and geometric shapes create a sleek and sophisticated appearance. Whether crafted from wood, glass, metal, or a combination of materials, the emphasis is on a streamlined silhouette that exudes a sense of modernity. Materials play a pivotal role in defining the character of modern dining tables. While traditional wood remains a popular choice, it is often paired with unconventional materials such as glass or metal to create a harmonious blend of textures. Glass tabletops, in particular, contribute to an airy and open feel, allowing the surrounding space to visually breathe. In terms of shape, modern dining tables often feature rectangular or square forms, emphasizing a clean and linear aesthetic. However, designers also explore circular or oval shapes to introduce a touch of softness and promote a sense of inclusivity in dining settings. The choice of shape often depends on the overall design vision and the spatial dynamics of the room. Leg designs contribute significantly to the overall look of modern dining tables. Tapered, angular legs or sleek pedestal bases are common, creating a sense of visual lightness and contributing to the overall contemporary feel. The absence of ornate details allows for a focus on the essential structural elements, reinforcing the table's modern design sensibility. In terms of color palette, modern dining tables tend to favor neutral tones and monochromatic schemes. White, black, and various shades of gray are prevalent, allowing for versatility in pairing with different chair styles and complementary decor. However, designers also explore bold hues or unconventional finishes to make a statement and inject personality into the dining area. In conclusion, modern dining table design represents a contemporary approach to both aesthetics and functionality. Striking a balance between simplicity and innovation, these tables become focal points in dining spaces, embodying the essence of modern living. Whether through the use of innovative materials, clean lines, or versatile functionality, modern dining tables showcase the evolution of design in response to the dynamic needs and tastes of contemporary lifestyles.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!